Top 18 Best Future Military Robots. Hi guys. Welcome to True Channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Top 18 Best Future Military Robots. So make sure to watch the full video. Here are the most advanced military robots providing backup to armed forces. Robotics technology is not new in military applications, as it has been used widely by armed forces across the world for many years. In today's globalized world, robots in the military can perform various combat roles, including rescue tasks, explosive disarmament, fire support, reconnaissance, logistics support, lethal combat duties, and more. These robots can also be seen as an alternative to human soldiers, handling a broader range of combat tasks, from picking off snipers to targeting enemies' areas with greater efficiency. Military robots can provide backup during heavy artillery fire and lower the number of casualties. They can also map a potentially large hostile area by identifying a variety of threats with precision. As military robots come in diverse shapes and sizes based on the requirement, markets predicted that the military robot industry will reach $30.83 billion by 2022. Growing at a CAGR of 12.9% during the projected period of 2017 to 2022. Here's a look at the top most advanced military robots in the world changing the face of warfare. 18. Avatar 3. Avatar 3 is a tactical robot from Robotex. It can be used by military SWAT teams to keep human soldiers safe that would normally perform this type of operation. The robot enhances the capabilities of law enforcement and first responders by allowing them to safely and quickly inspect treacherous situations. The Avatar 3 is completely customizable with plug-and-play payload bays, enabling users to build the robot to fit their needs. 17. Dogo. Dogo robot is an innovative tactical combat robot, armed with a 9mm Glock pistol, created to serve as a watchdog for soldiers in the warfield. Designed by General Robotics, this robot is the earthbound equivalent of the ubiquitous combat drone. The most interesting thing about Dogo is it weighs roughly 26 pounds and can be carried in one hand by a fully armed commando. Reportedly, Dogo was designed with input from the Israeli Police's Counter-Terror Unit and the Defense Ministry's Research and Development Directorate to combat terrorism. 16. Rise. Rise from Boston Robotics is an insect-like climbing robot that uses micro-clawed feet to nimbly scale textured surfaces, such as walls, fences, and trees. It is developed in collaboration with Boston Dynamics, Inc., Stanford University, Carnegie Mellon University, UC Berkeley, and Lewis and Clark University. The goal of the RISE project is to create a bio-inspired climbing robot with a unique ability to walk on land and climb on vertical surfaces. This project is funded by the DARPA Biodynamics program. 15. Saphir. Saphir, shipboard autonomous firefighting robot, is a 5 feet 10 inches military robot and weighs 143 pounds. Developed by researchers at Virginia Tech, the robot is designed to extinguish fires that break out on naval ships. Saphir can't stand without a tether, but it is capable of taking measured steps and handling a fire hose. Its unique mechanism design equips it with a superhuman range of motion to maneuver in complex spaces. The ultimate goal is for Saphir to work in tandem with Navy officers, not replace them. 14. MUT. Stands for Multi-Utility Tactical Transport. MUT is an unmanned ground vehicle that comes in two versions, wheeled and tracked. MUT accompanies the fighters, making travel easier by decreasing the amount of equipment that they carry while crossing difficult terrain on foot. This autonomous war vehicle comes in three sizes: tracked, 6x6, and 8x8. The 8x8 MUT is 112 inches long by 60 inches wide, carrying up to 1,200 pounds. It can provide up to 3,000 watts of power and travel for up to 60 miles on a single tank of gas. 13. GuardBot. GuardBot is an amphibious, surveillance robot that can roll on any terrain, including snow, sand, and dirt, along with maneuvering on any terrain. This surveillance robot can even swim. Originally designed for missions to Mars, GuardBot is equipped with 2 surveillance cameras, a battery that can last for 25 hours, microphones, and GPS, which allows it to be controlled via satellites as well as remotely. Its smaller version can help search underneath vehicles at security checkpoints. 12. Gladiator. The Gladiator Tactical Unmanned Ground Vehicle is designed to support the Marine Corps' conduct of Ship-to-Objective Maneuver (STOM). It uses a small medium-sized mobile robotic system to lessen risk and neutralize threats to Marines across the spectrum of conflict. Looks like a small tank, but it can perform scout, surveillance, NBC reconnaissance, direct fire, and personnel obstacle breaching missions in its basic configuration. Gladiators can provide day-night remote visual acuity similar to that of an individual Marine using current image intensifying or thermal devices. 11 wearable robots. Wearable robots are thriving in the military and defense industry for helping human soldiers carry heavy pack loads efficiently. The combination of artificial intelligence and robotics provides automation to carry a bulk of supplies from one place to another. These robots reduce the workload of human soldiers to provide opportunities for focusing on other crucial areas for the welfare of a country. 10 mobile robots. Mobile robots play a wide range of roles in the military and defense industry, from reconnaissance patrolling to neutralizing bombs. These mobile robots consist of high-tech sensors and cameras to perform different missions efficiently and effectively while providing necessary video and images. The robotic arms are also used for neutralizing suspicious objects and bombs without harming any human soldier. These work on wheels, tracks, and both, and are battery-powered with an excellent communication system. 9 surveillance robots. An accurate and secure surveillance system is highly crucial for this industry for the betterment of citizens. The ground-based systems leverage surveillance robots with sufficient weapons and high sensor cameras. These cameras with infrared or night vision help to observe the entire building and area of the military and defense without sending in soldiers. 8 robotic submarine system. The robotic submarine system is a new application of robotics in the military and defense industry. This enhanced robotics technology helps in multiple different activities underwater, such as detecting and inspecting underwater mines, working on anti-submarine operations, protecting Navy ships in harbors, and many more. It provides ample opportunities to observe underwater efficiently, just like the ground level. 7 search and rescue robots. Search and rescue missions are very crucial for this industry to rescue human soldiers from emergencies. The implementation of robotics has provided search and rescue robots to search, track, and rescue soldiers from multiple different environments like chemical, nuclear, radiological, and biological. It can be operated from a command center to rescue soldiers from battlefields without confronting any more risk. 6 combat robots. Combat robots can play crucial roles in missions with their advanced functionalities. The robots act as a combat support application for multiple activities such as fire support, battle damage management, aerial refueling, laying mines, electronic warfare, and many more. It consists of a certain degree of automation to minimize collateral damage efficiently and effectively. 5 EOD robots. EOD robots, or explosive ordnance disposal robots, are popular in this industry for identifying and disarming risky traps, improvising explosive objects, fireworks, and many more. EOD robots can be integrated into bomb detection systems in closed areas, vehicles, or building complexes. These have immense potential in the nearby future to carry a lot of major responsibilities in future missions. 4 firefighting robots. One of the major functionalities of robotics applications is to protect humans from hazardous environments. Fire is one of the main hazardous environments in the military and defense industry. Thus, firefighting robots address different kinds of fire situations to avoid major casualties. These can withstand high temperatures while putting down fire with various fire-suppressing techniques. Firefighting robots use high-tech sensor cameras, a gas sensor, and a stereo infrared camera for navigating through the smoke. 3 swarm of drones. The military and defense industry is focused on investing millions of dollars in a swarm of drones for powerful observation. These are small-sized surveillance drones with high battery life and high-tech cameras. The cameras are expected to have infrared detection capabilities in the nearby future. The aerial view is very crucial for this industry to observe activities and detect potential threats to combat. 2 voice-controlled robotic vehicles. Voice-controlled robotic vehicles rely on the voice commands from the speech recognition module to carry out essential activities. There are speeches as well as push buttons with transmitter and receiver circuits for achieving control objectives. The microcontroller sends signals to the motor driver for controlling the movement as per the command signals. 1. The future outlook. Thus, it can be realized that robotics can help improve multi-fold capabilities of the military and defense industry in the nearby tech-driven future. Robotics can bring smiling faces to families of human soldiers for the reduced fear of losing lives on battlefields or neutralizing bombs. The million-dollar investment in robotics can bring some advantage, gaining tactics and strategies to combat potential attacks from enemies. It is expected that the global military robots market will hit $24.2 billion in 2025 with a CAGR of 10.7%. The military and defense industry should be prepared for replacing conventional processes with advanced technologies to preserve the safety of soldiers as well as citizens. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.